What about my people? So I want to say big up to chronixx and govana for their back to school charity event, you know what I mean, for in Spanish Town that was giving back to the kids. You know what I mean? Because people as an artist, my people that strive from the ghetto for giving back to the community that you're from, my people, is a tremendous thing, you know what I mean? And for govana and chronixx to be doing this, my people, I have to applaud them. You see me? Because not a lot of artists want to do this, or not a lot of artists do this. You know what I mean? And chronixx has always been this person where he represent for the ghetto, and he represent for the poor, and he represent for people that are less fortunate. You know what I mean? And for chronixx and govana for to be doing this, my people, is a commendable effort. You know what I mean? Because these kids, my people, they don't really have it, and their parents don't really have it. You know what I mean? Most of their parents are struggling and trying to make ends meet, and for them to be doing this, my people, I have to applaud them. You see me? Because only person I've seen done stuff like this over the years is Bounty Killer. You know what I mean? Representing for the ghetto. And as I'm saying, my people, is a major thing this for the ghetto, knowing that chronixx and govana representing my people. You know what I mean? Because chronixx has always been that voice and that perspective where people are not seeing. You see me? And as a Rastafarian and as a young youth, my people, I've looked up to him since he came on the scene. You know what I mean? Because chronixx is a conscious youth and a conscious Rastafarian that believe that people and you see me? So big up to chronixx and big up to govana for really doing this and really getting a hands-on it. As you can see, they're in it, giving out these items to these ghetto kids. You see me? I say because they're the one who need it the most. You see me? And instead of hyping and showing off shoes and showing off cars and wasting their money, they're putting their money to use. You see me? I say, me people, and I respect that to the fullest. You see me? So say big up to govana and big up to chronixx for really doing this. And I really would like more artists to do stuff like this in their community. Big up to chronixx and big up to govana. Peace.
Work in the country, you have to look upon. And him do great works too, because even though him dey jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy will say them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winfred Williams. Take me on that if you wish.